Dearest gentle learners, welcome to Alohomora English, your place to explore the magic of books, improve your English, and learn lessons that stay with you for life. So today, let's unlock something powerful together. Listen and read with me. What if I told you being rich has nothing to do with intelligence? Sounds surprising, right? You don't need a high IQ. You don't need complicated financial knowledge. All you need is the right behavior. That's the core idea of The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book doesn't teach quick ways to make money. It teaches how to think about money and how to handle it wisely. Because wealth is not built by what you know, but by how you behave. Now, let's get started, step by step. Chapter 1. No one is crazy. Everyone thinks their money decisions are correct because their life is different. A poor person saves more. A rich person spends more. Both believe they are right. People learn from their past, so they behave differently. Think of it this way. Your mind is like a memory box. We use past experiences to guide our decisions. So when someone acts differently, it is not stupidity. It's their life experiences guiding them. Chapter 2. Luck and Risk. Life is not fully in your control. Sometimes you win because of luck. Sometimes you lose because of risk. We see success, but not failure. So stay humble when you win and stay strong when you lose. Imagine life like a game of cards. You don't always control the cards you get, so don't judge the player only. Sometimes the cards matter too. Chapter 3. Never enough. Some people always want more money even when they already have enough. They take big risks and sometimes lose everything. Learn to say, "This is enough." That is real happiness. More money does not always mean more happiness. Peace comes from satisfaction, not from endless desire. Chapter 4. Confounding, Compounding. Money grows slowly at first, then accelerates. If you start with 100 rupees, it grows to 110, then to 121. Time is your greatest ally. Start early and stay patient. Compounding is like planting a tree. In the first few years, growth is hardly visible, but over time, it gives huge shade and abundant fruit. Plant your money, water it with patience, and watch it grow. Chapter 5. Getting wealthy versus staying wealthy. Making money is one skill. Keeping money is another. Many people earn but lose it later. You can earn 1 crore rupees, but if you spend too much, you can lose it all. Earning money is like filling a bucket. Spending without control is like a hole in that bucket. If you don't fix the hole, the money will leak away. Simple habits like saving and controlling expenses are more powerful than earning more. Chapter 6. tails, you win. In life, a few big events bring most of your success. One good investment, one big opportunity, one good decision that can change your life. You don't need to win every time. Keep trying. One big win is enough. Think of success like mining for gold. You may dig many times without finding anything, but one rich vein can make all your effort worthwhile. Chapter 7. Freedom. Money is not just for buying things. The real use of money is freedom, the ability to control your life. Freedom means control your time. Live life your way. Time is more valuable than money. Money gives you control over your life. The more control you have over your time, the happier you feel. Time is life. Money's true power isn't in what it can buy. It is in the ability to choose your life without pressure. Chapter 8. The illusion of impressing others. We all want to impress other people, but most people do not notice. They are thinking about themselves. Think about this. When you see a fancy car, do you notice the driver? Or do you imagine yourself driving it? It is the same with other expensive things. People do not admire you, they admire your things. So do not try to show off or spend money to impress others. Focus on what is really important in your life. Chapter 9. Silent wealth. Keep saving. Looking rich doesn't mean you are truly rich. A big house or fancy things won't help if you have no savings. Saving money gives safety, confidence, and peace. Even small savings build strong habits. Habit matters more than amount. Save quietly. Live securely. Hidden savings protect you, while spending to show off only brings short-term happiness. Savings act like a safety net. When life pushes you down, this net keeps you safe. Chapter 10. Reasonable, greater than rational. Simple decisions work better. Keep things simple. Be practical. If a plan is too hard, you won't follow it. A simple plan works better. Rational means trying to be perfect and mistake-free. Reasonable means being practical and doing what works in real life. Life is not perfect. Be reasonable, not perfect. Follow what you can sustain. A plan you can follow is better than a perfect plan you quit. Chapter 11. Surprise. Life is unpredictable. Problems can come anytime. Life is full of surprises. Job loss, market crashes, health problems. You cannot predict everything. Always be ready. Unexpected events are normal, not rare. Preparation reduces fear. Life is like the weather. It can change any time. So always carry an umbrella, a backup plan. Chapter 12. You'll change. Your goals and thinking will evolve over time. When you're young, you may chase risk, speed, and quick money. As you grow older, You may value safety, stability, and peace. Your future self will be different from who you are today. Stay flexible. Adapt to change. The person you are today and the person you'll be in 10 years are not the same. So make decisions that allow room to grow, shift, and change your paths. Chapter 13. Nothing is free. Nothing is free. Everything has a cost. Big rewards come with big risks. There is no free success. Every success needs time, effort, patience, or risk. Choose the cost you can handle and be ready to pay it. Chapter 14. You and me. Everyone is different. Don't copy others. Follow your own path. What works for someone else may not work for you. Your journey is unique, and so are your goals. Some people seek safety, while others are willing to take risks. Don't follow blindly. Make your own plan. Your life, income, and goals are unique. So your money strategy should be too. Chapter 15. The Seduction of Pessimism. People believe bad news quickly. Fear spreads fast. The market will crash. Spreads fast. Even before the facts are clear, stay calm. Don't panic. Bad news feels urgent, but it isn't always true. Calm thinking leads to better decisions. Chapter 16. When you'll believe anything. People believe simple stories, even the wrong ones. Get rich quick. Sounds tempting, but it is rarely true. Think before you believe. Question everything. Key takeaways. Everyone's financial journey is different. Don't copy others. Luck, risk, and patience shape success more than quick wins. Save consistently, avoid showing off, and learn to say enough. Simple, disciplined habits matter more than perfect plans. Stay calm, think clearly, and be ready for life's surprises. Good behavior with money is more important than intelligence. Thank you for learning with me.